In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create an account with GCash. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, if you haven't done so, go ahead and download the GCash app either on your Play or App Store. Once you've done that, go ahead and click into it. And now to get started, you need to put in your mobile number to get started. So go ahead and put in your phone number, click on next, and then on the next page, you will have to put in that 6-digit code that you get from GCash. So I'll go ahead and do this part now. All right, so I'm going to wait a few moments to get this 6-digit code. All right, once you put in the code, you're going to have to tell us about yourself. Say yes, Filipino, and birthday, put in your birth date. Once you've done that, click on confirm. And now you've got to fill in your personal information here, so your first name, last name, etc., and all that stuff. All right, now once you've filled out all of your information here, go down to the bottom and then click onto next. This will go ahead and create your account. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click onto next and then review your information, make sure it's all correct. Once you've done that, I'm going to click on confirm. And then you got to set a PIN, so never share this PIN with anyone. So I want to jot in my PIN now and agree to the terms. Then click confirm, and now it's going to be processing. And then from there you can it's here introducing account secure, so you can do a security update. Yes, register the phone, or if you just want to log in. So I'm going to go no, back to login. So once you click confirm, yeah, you'll go back to the login. Then you can log in with your GCash new user account that you've just created.